Americans, beware. Every day, you might be making small mistakes that quietly harm your health. In this video, we'll reveal the most common health pitfalls Americans face and share powerful solutions. Some of these may surprise you. Let's get started. The problem. Why is this happening? America, despite being a leading nation, struggles with rising obesity, diabetes, and chronic diseases. Is this just bad luck? Not quite. These issues often stem from small but significant habits we unknowingly repeat every day. Let's uncover them together. 1. Don't fall for diet labels. Products labeled as low-fat or sugar-free might sound healthy, but they're often loaded with hidden sugars or artificial sweeteners. These can lead to energy crashes, weight gain, and insulin resistance. Instead, choose natural options like sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing and healthy alternative. 2. Water isn't enough on its own. Staying hydrated is essential, but plain water isn't always enough. Without minerals, your body might not absorb it effectively. A simple fix? Add a pinch of sea salt or some fresh lemon juice to your water. This small change can boost both hydration and energy levels. 3. Don't skimp on sleep. Did you know that getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night increases your risk of heart disease by 48%? Sleep deprivation also weakens your immune system and slows mental processing. For better sleep, avoid screens before bed and create a calming, dark environment. 4. Pills aren't always the answer. From headaches to heartburn, we often reach for pills to solve the problem. But medications only mask symptoms instead of addressing the root cause. For heartburn, try apple cider vinegar or peppermint tea. Managing stress? Consider natural remedies like ashwagandha for a gentler, more effective solution. 5. Exercise smarter, not longer. You don't need hours at the gym to stay fit. Research shows that short, high-intensity workouts like HIIT are more effective. Just 20 minutes, 3 times a week, can boost your fitness and energy dramatically. 6. Hidden dangers of healthy foods. Granola bars and packaged juices might seem like healthy choices, but they're often loaded with sugar. Instead, opt for fresh fruits or homemade snacks. For protein, swap fast food for natural options like boiled eggs or almonds. Small changes make a big difference. 7. Reduce stress, improve health. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, leading to weight gain, sleep issues, and a weakened immune system. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or a simple walk can help reduce stress and improve both mental and physical health. Take action today. Which of these mistakes have you been making? What's one solution you'll start today? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your insights could inspire others. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. A small tip could change a life. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Together, let's take steps toward a healthier future.